this is not great. So far, my recommendation is not to buy this. Okay, now that worked. Okay, so I need to figure out the system for you guys. I've looked everywhere on the internet and I cannot find the video and review I need to review this brush. It's by Paul Mitchell and it's the Pro Tool 407 styling brush. Here's the moment of truth. This is what my hair looks like without. This is my curl pattern without anything. Going to go ahead and put the brush through. Give a little twist around. You can see it's twisted around the brush. Pull it through. This is what happens. It does not look that great to me at all. So my camera died. I tried and tried a billion times and I think I finally found how I can make this work. So let me get rid of the curls so that you can see. Okay, so I finally, after I think like 18 attempts, realized what the technique is. So you don't have to twist the top, but I twist the top for a more perfect look. Okay, make sure your hair is combed out. You put the hair in the brush, put the brush inside the hair, and you lift the hair strand up, lift the brush up and it down. And then you pull it all the way through, and it gives you the best curl you can get from this. See it? Okay, I'll do it again. I twist the top, put the brush through the hair, put the brush up, the hair down, okay, brush in the hair, twist up, go like this. That's the way the curl turns out. Now, if you do my brush that I like, it's called BeHairful. Okay, so my review is that you can get curls with this brush, but it takes a lot of technique and it doesn't work every time. It just isn't, it isn't that great. I wanted it to work because I love Paul Mitchell. I use their shampoo and conditioner, Awapui. But this brush that I already had for a long time, as you can see, but BeHairful, it does work better with less effort every time. Yeah, I prefer this one. Nothing wrong with the other brush. I just don't think it's like the best one to make your hair have curls. I am disappointed that this brush didn't work out. I just so badly wanted it to. Now, I will say this was, I got it on Amazon from their site, Paul Mitchell's site on Amazon, and it was only like $9.50 for the brush, so that's a plus. This brush I had to pay like $50 for it, so